Who else loves a Christmas t-shirt?
Okay, that is quite cute, isn't it? And a disaster is getting away.
Good morning, everybody. Thank you so much for dropping by my channel. Today is going to be sorry, I've got a cold. Today is going to be a Christmas inspired cozy food type of vlog. Now I'm going to do some treaty things. I'm going to have the kids make some banana bread. Yes, I know banana bread isn't quite Christmassy inspired, but I'm going to do some banana bread because my bananas are kind of starting to go off, so they really need to get binned or baked. Gingerbread house making, which you would have seen in the box that was in my B&M Christmas mini haul. Check it out below. Enjoy the video. Please like, share and subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you so much for those of you. This wee girl loves stencils. Will we get baking? Going to bake? I have just realised I'm about to start measuring things out and I don't have a scales that actually work, so I'm going to need to convert grams into millilitres because I've only got a Pyrex jug at the moment, so this is going to be interesting. Okay, so it's not that difficult. 1 gram equals 1 millilitre, so not that difficult. Okay, so here are my ingredients. Some salt, butter, flour, eggs, and very ripe bananas. I'm going to do a batch of 2 loaves, so I'm going to double up on everything, hence why there's so many eggs and so many bananas. Now the recipe I'm going to use for the banana bread is BBC Good Food website, so I think it's called Brilliant Banana Bread. That's essentially the recipe that I'm actually going to follow. Sorry for the background noise and for me looking away. I have a 2-year-old that's going to start helping me bake, so this is going to be interesting. Yes, darling? We're going to bake, Let's get on with it. This I'm going to get it. Why not to do it? I've had to add more butter from the normal butter. Just really hope this works out. I'm doing well today. Got eggshell in here. I usually crack the eggs and put them into a glass, and I thought, no, I'll be fine. Clearly not. Well, that was a success. The kids are absolutely thoroughly enjoying the banana bread and they're quite fussy eaters, so the fact that they're eating it is a good sign. I shall just show you. You'll just see that I cut it up. Yeah, it's going down really well. Gingerbread making time. Okay, so I got this out of B&M last week. I think I'm more looking forward to making it than the kids are. Gingerbread, it's not even gingerbread making, it's a gingerbread house kit. £2 out of B&M. It includes pre-shaped printed gingerbread, icing and candy decorations. You literally just kind of pop the icing on in any way you want to decorate it and fun with it essentially. Let's get to that.
And if it's getting a bit dull with the lighting and I'm half a face, sorry. It's getting dark outside. I can't believe it's already dull at 3:15. Icing and pre-cut shapes. By the looks of it, this is the actual base of it. To help? Oh! One are the sides of the house, the roof, and that is the base. Here. Believe it or not, I did do a cake decorating class and I was really good at it. Obviously, not great at this one. You can see that coming. Oh dear. Anyone who's got to this part of the vlog and has just saw that, let me know with a wee Christmas tree emoji in the comments below. Right, try that again. You know what? I am going to quit while it's good. So, well, good. Okay, that is quite cute, isn't it? And a disaster is getting away.
Woo, Denzel! I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope it inspired you to create some really fun kind of things for you to do with your kids. Things not to do, like how not to decorate a gingerbread man or house, or just have fun yourself like I actually did. Stay tuned for more vlogs coming your way shortly and check out the rest of my content. Please like, share, subscribe if you haven't already. If you have, then thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. And I shall see you next time. Stay safe, guys. Bye.